girl Tech with Nat, and today we're back with another video. Whoop whoop. If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free, okay? And today, you guys, we are about to be making some phone cases, okay? I only have like about 10 left to make. It should go by quickly, you know. It's not gonna be like an in-depth tutorial. If you want to watch a more in-depth tutorial on how to make a phone case, I recommend watching this video right here. But if you want to kick it with your girl while I pack some orders and make some cases, this video is for you. So before we get into this video, I just want to say once again, I know nothing about lip gloss. So if you want to start your lip gloss business, I definitely recommend hitting up Glow Queen Gloss on Instagram. This is her Instagram handle. It says Glow Queen Gloss, and I'm gonna leave her YouTube down below. I'm gonna put all her information right here as well. She will help you with everything with lip gloss, how to make a lip gloss, anything, okay? And I love when I tell you, like, obsessed with her lip gloss. Is like bomb, y'all. Like, look at that. And it's not sticky, because I hate sticky lip gloss. It's nice and shiny and oily, good texture, okay? So yeah, so make sure you head over to my girl channel and she will tell you all about lip gloss, because Tech with Nat don't know no lip gloss. All right, so I'm gonna just jot down real quick all the cases that I have to make, and that way when I go over to pull my blanks, I know what to get. Y'all don't come for my nails or my handwriting. I know I write crazy. So first up we have iPhone 12 Pro. Alright, so now that we got our list, boo, let me take you guys over so we can get the blanks for these. It's gonna be backwards, but so we can get these blanks and then we can get to sublimating, okay, boo? My phone case blanks. So I'm gonna just grab these. So we need an iPhone 12 Pro. See if I have an iPhone 12 Pro. Y'all probably like, girl, it's right in front of you. Yep. And I have like a lot of blanks, you guys. That's why like, if you want to purchase your own blanks and you don't want to wait from overseas, the link will definitely be in the description. Pulling out these blanks. I have these stickies on here just so I know like which one is which before I sublimate them. So we have our iPhone 11 Pro, our iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and iPhone 11. And I do have this XR case too that I'm going to be sublimating. And in case, I have my own personal method that I use to sublimate on it pretty good. Use a heat press, but I do use something else and it comes out pretty darn good. So I will actually be dropping a course about this like, it will be linked in the description. So yeah, you guys can go check it out. I would not be putting it on YouTube for free, because like this tutorial is top notch. Like, we gotta be hush hush to keep it a secret. So yeah, I've been getting into one more 3D cases recently because I don't know, competition is less, so and everybody love a 3D custom case to protect your phone more. So I do have the blanks for these. They'll be available too if you want to try it out. If you have a vacuum machine but it does not, let me repeat, because I know y'all gonna be like, oh my god, I can use a heat press for this. You cannot use a heat press for this, you guys, okay? So if you have a vacuum machine, or if you want to purchase some blanks to try out after you watch my course and you want to try it out yourself, you can. And so let's do the regular cases, and then I'll do this off camera and show you guys the end result. Alright, you guys, so the first case we are going to do is a iPhone 12 Pro, which is right here. Y'all excuse my nails, it's so hideous. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro. As you know, I only do tempered glass cases, but if you are into metal cases, I do have a link from Ecourse in my description, so check that out. But as you know, I only do tempered glass cases. So in order to, I told y'all, see, I told y'all this wouldn't be an in-depth tutorial, but I'm gonna just show you guys real quick how I measure this. Y'all so spoiled. Like I told y'all this wasn't going to be a tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I measure this tempered glass template to print out the picture. So this is my phone. I literally go to the measuring app on my phone. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is a measuring app, and what I do is literally just, I hope you guys can hear. Let me turn up my, automatically does it for you. Like you see here, it automatically does it for you. So what I do is just put the dot in the center. It's not showing up clear, but I'll take a picture of it so I can show you guys. Hope you guys can see it. Yeah, so it's measuring 5.5, 2.5. So this is the measurements that I will go and plug into Photoshop. I usually make it a little bit bigger, and then I try and error, but it usually comes out pretty accurate. Alright, you guys, so we got this case printed out and taped it up. So I am about to turn on my heat press, and then just let it heat up. It's like already set to my default time. Like I said before, if you want a more in-depth how I do my phone cases, hit this video up here. But make sure you come back through, okay? Period. So as you can see, my heat press all heated up. I have it to 356 Fahrenheit and 110 seconds. So we're about to put these babies in. Oh, let me get my paper real quick. Alright, so this paper is on the top, so I'm about to press it down and then start the timer. And place this on here. Press this on real good, real tight, and good to go. I love these tempered glass. I love these glass blanks. They're super duper glossy, super duper nice. Phone case box now. And these, as you guys already know, is on my website for wholesale. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, and this is how it looks in the box, and then just a few more to go, you guys. Easy that is, you guys. Like, y'all be overthinking it. Like, measure the template, sublimate it, and you're good to go, boo. Like, don't overtake it. Like, this is super duper cute. So I'm about to print out her packing slip and her we call it shipping label, and we good to go, boo. Like, alright, we got it all printed. I'm really hoping that this ish matches up. Oh no, Tupac eye. His eye gonna get cut off. Let me just cut this one though, so I can get it all taped up. Y'all, look at my can somebody like send me the link or send me a tape dispenser to my PO box? It's linked in the description, because y'all, the struggle is real. Tape this up real quick. This is, bring this down a little bit. This tape is killing me. Alright, I gotta make a TikTok real quick. Thank you so much for watching your girl video. Yeah, so that's how I make phone cases. It usually go by pretty fast when I'm not filming, but yeah. And if you want me to make phone cases for your business, just let me know. The wholesale program is in my description box, so make sure you click on that. I can make the phone cases for you. I send them to you and you send them out to your customers. Super easy if you don't want to buy the sublimation printer and the ink and all those stuff. I also do have drop shipping options available as well, so make sure you check out that as well. Description too. And yeah, that's it. Y'all see my water bottle? Like, if you're on TikTok, you know this water bottle, okay? Like, I've been loving it so far. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a link for this water bottle actually in my description, so check it out as well. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.